Hey there! Today is the 7th day before Christmas, and today we're going to be making a Disneyland treat. We're going to be making a Santa Hat Mickey Rice Krispie treat. This is super easy to do. I have done quite a few Rice Krispie treats on my channel before. As always, everything you're going to need will be in the description box down below. Now let's get started on this Rice Krispie treat. We're going to need some butter, marshmallows, and Rice Krispie cereal. Melt your butter and marshmallows over some heat in a pan. Once it's all melted, add in your Rice Krispie cereal and combine it together. Work pretty quickly because it does get sticky really fast. So just mix it until it all comes together. And then I got a quarter sheet pan with some parchment paper and put the Rice Krispie treat mix there. Spread it out. You can also use a silicone mat to place your Rice Krispie treats on. With another parchment paper, I'm squishing it out, just evenly getting my Rice Krispies on there. Removing the parchment paper. And you can see my treats are nice and flat. I'm going to chill them for a bit, and once it's hardened, I'm going to flip it out of the pan and remove that parchment paper. And then with my Mickey cookie cutter, I'm just going to start cutting out some shapes. And then I'm going to place those shapes on another parchment paper. I'm just going to let these harden. You can put them in the fridge for a bit or leave them at room temperature. And then I melted my white chocolate and I'm putting my lollipop sticks in there. You don't have to do this, but the ones at the parks come on lollipop sticks. And with my white chocolate, I'm just going to be coating the ears and part of the circle. I'm just doing a thin layer of this. They do use white, but you can also use red for this part. And once that white chocolate's evenly coated, I'm going to get my red sanding sugar and place this on it. Just sprinkle it on top of that. And as well, get your marshmallow and put that on there. I got the regular size marshmallows, cut them in half and use that for the little cotton on the Santa hat. And just keep spreading that sanding sugar until you have everything coated. You can always put this on a plate or a sheet pan or something and press it on. You don't have to sprinkle it with a spoon. And for the little detail, I'm going to be using that white chocolate again and just slowly drizzling it on there. You can also put the chocolate in a piping bag to get better distribution of this. Once that's placed, I'm going to bring my regular sanding sugar and just sprinkle that on here. This is completely optional. You can always just use candy melts to decorate. And here are our Mickey Santa Hat Rice Krispie treats. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. I have been posting all the treats I've been making over on Instagram if you want to see that. Let me know in the comments down below what other recipes you'd like to see on my channel. And until next time, happy holidays and stay sweet!